How to make slime. To make the slime, you'll need a measuring cup, magical liquid, food coloring, Elmer's glue, a bowl and spoon. Step 1. Pour the 4 to 6 ounces of washable glue, usually 1 small bottle, into the bowl. Step 2. Add a few drops of food coloring into the glue and mix until you get the color you want. Step 3. Slowly add the magical liquid into the glue, making sure that you go slow and mix every time you add magical liquid. Step 4. After mixing for a little, knead the mixture with your hands, still slowly adding magical liquid. The heat from your hands help form the slime. You can also have someone help you pour the magical liquid into the bowl. Continue kneading and mixing the slime. If the slime isn't forming, try adding more magical liquid or glue. Boom! Now you have some cool slime.